Chigwell Window Centre has been partly group since 2014. I bought into a local company of which we used to buy our windows from them. We rebranded it under our heading because we had all the business development managers, we had all the health and safety officers, we had all the team that could grow the business, and it's just gone from strength to strength. The growth has been down to customer focus, service and quality of the material that we use. We've got our own customer service after sales team, so if things go wrong, we're there immediately to rectify them. There's a major advantage for being a manufacturer as well as an installer in that you can quality control from the point of sale to the point of invoice and beyond. So even if something goes wrong with an after sales, we can manufacture a window or a handle, we've got them all in stock. Chigwell Window Centre has two showrooms. It has one in Collier Row and it has one in Billericay. I think it's a great experience for the individual to come into the showroom, feel and touch and see exactly what they're getting. But even if the client can't get to the showroom, we can take samples to the clients, and we do that on a number of occasions. And I think it's very important to have a good customer experience and a good rapport with the client all the way through, bearing in mind you're taking out the windows to every room in the house in most cases. And for them to go through that experience, that needs to be an enjoyable one. Chigwell Window Centre can be contacted by telephone, website, or just pop into the showroom or the factory. There's always people there ready, available to speak to.